Hi, this is Michael Nataf from High Tech Trader. Today we're looking at Aegis Scientific freezer / refrigerator. Let's first start with the overall dimensions. Going across, we have about 57, we'll call it, about 57 inches. The height to the floor. 81.5. This particular unit is on wheels. The depth of this unit, 36 inches would be sufficient. Clearance is actually around 34.5, 35. Looking inside, the freezer. Shelf space, 27 by 21.5. The refrigerator, same thing. Chemicals, no food. Let's take a look at the back. Oh, while we're in the front, these displays are not working. They're not coming up. However, in the back, you'll see the refrigerator's at 8 degrees. And over here we'll have the freezer at -6. It's running off 115 volts, but there's actually 3 power cords. 2 coming off the bottom, and the primary. We've got some fun switches up here which turn the compressors on and off on both sides. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call 609-518-9100. Thank you from High Tech Trader.